Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to improve audio quality in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started with choosing our track that we want to play. So here in the settings we can get started with either selecting a live loop that we want to use, or we can go ahead and start with audio recording or recording an instrument that we have, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to get started with improving our audio quality. Let's say we want to use the audio recorder, so that we want to insert our track or just record it directly using the GarageBand application right here. So as you can see here now, it's showing me that my microphone works. As you can see, the green line that's going up and down, showing me myself. And if you want to preview how you sound, you can just go ahead and take a sample recording by clicking the button right here at the top of the screen. That's going to start the recording, and now you can go ahead and select how you sound. But basically guys, as you can see, after clicking the play button, now it's going to start recording you, and if you click the red button, it's recording, and then you can go ahead and listen to your recording. So after stopping my recording guys, now we have all the options right here that we can use for managing our recording quality. And basically guys, what you want to do is first make sure all the settings that you want to use for recording here in the upper right corner by clicking the settings button are set. So you want to go ahead and select your tempo, time signature, and so on. And after that, in the upper left corner, you can click the sliders button. So after clicking the sliders button, this is going to enable you to open up the settings where we can go ahead and manage the track volume. And under the track volume, we have the compressor, the treble, and the bass, and we can also manage our master effects and manage our echo and reverb guys. And these are all the plugins that you're going to use to go ahead and manage this to sound the best it can. So go ahead and use the sliders to find the perfect sound for your track, and you also have your track settings where you can go and take a look at the recording, and you can go ahead and manage your track settings as well to find the perfect sound for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.